Studying abroad has become a top choice for students aiming for high-quality education, cultural experiences, and personal growth. However, gaining admission to international universities often requires clearing competitive exams like the GMAT and GRE to turn this aspiration into reality. While hard work is essential, the key lies in having an effective preparation strategy and adopting the right study technique. If you are among the many aspiring to study abroad, developing a well-structured study plan is crucial for exam success. Don't worry, with proper planning and determination, you can boost your chances of achieving your goals, securing high scores, and paving the way to fulfill your dream of studying overseas. Today, we are going to discuss 10 most important tips to prepare a successful study schedule for studying abroad exam. Number 1. Begin early. Starting your preparation well in advance is a highly effective approach for creating a successful study schedule for abroad exam. Ample preparation time allows you to review and understand the material thoroughly, avoiding last-minute cramming and ensuring a solid grasp of the content. Number 2. Setting down clear goals. Define the exams you are targeting. Either it's IELTS, GRE, TOEFL, SAT, whatever it is. Identify the score requirements for your chosen universities. Number 3. Assess your strengths and weakness. Take diagnostic tests to understand your baseline performance. Focus more time on weaker areas while maintaining your strengths. Number 4. Create a realistic timeline. Start early, preferably 6 to 12 months before the exam. Break your preparation into manageable chunks. Number 5. Design a daily schedule. Allocate time slots for each subject or section of the exam. Include breaks to avoid burnout. Use quality study materials. Choose reliable books, online courses, and practice platforms. Look for official preparation materials from the exam bodies. Number 8. Incorporate short-term goals. Set weekly targets. Review progress at the end of each week. Number 9. Stay flexible and adapt. If you are consistently struggling with a topic, allocate more time to it. Adjust your schedule based on progress and test dates. Number 10. Incorporate regular revision. Schedule weekly review sessions to revisit learned topics. Use flashcards or apps for quick recall of important information. One bonus tip is to maintain balance and self-care. Ensure enough sleep, exercise, and a healthy diet. Include hobbies or relaxation time to reduce stress. This approach helps you stay focused and retain more information while avoiding fatigueness. It also enables you to maintain productivity over a longer period. As you approach the final stages of your study schedule, don't hesitate to seek support from tutors, mentors, or online resources if you encounter challenging concept or topic. Gaining clarity on difficult areas can enhance your understanding and provide valuable insights, boosting your chances of achieving your desired results. Follow and subscribe ACE with Sneha for more such tips.